don't want to miss out one day from practicing, but it happens we have to go some outside, we have to attend some function. So yes, and that I was facing like some health issue. So yes, it happens with everyone. But what happened when we missed out one day? So second day, make sure to maintain your consistency on the second day, because when just Yaram everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Desi Madam. My name is Rita, and how are you doing, guys? I hope you all guys are doing absolutely fine. So friends, in this video I'm going to discuss with you a very important topic, that is consistency. How to be consistent in English, to be fluent in English. If you really want to speak in English fluently, confidently, so you need to be first consistent in English. So how to maintain this consistency? So in this video, I'm going to discuss with you some points. I'm going to share with you my experience. How did I achieve this consistency? And yes, if you are facing like give up, it's very difficult language, okay, I can't maintain my streak, I can't maintain my consistency. So yes, it's happens with me when I was learning this language. Currently I was facing this type of problem, that you are facing, I can't maintain my consistency. Okay, so in this video I'm going to share with you my experience, how did I overcome this type of problem. Okay, so without any further delay, let's get into the topic. But before going to the topic, it's my humble request to all of you, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, so please do subscribe my channel, because these things gives me boost to create more and more valuable content for you every day. So watch the video right till then, don't skip the video. Okay, so first I'm going to share with you my problem that I was facing for the past 5 days. Actually during Holi I have been suffering some health issue like skin problem. Look at the picture in the screen, you can see the picture, there is some red rashes around my eyes. So that's why I was not feeling good. Okay, so because of my some I mean to say red races, so I can't expose myself in front of you like in this picture. So that's why I was not practicing in English. So yes, I missed out 5 days. Yes, I missed out 5 days. So there is a big gap. Okay, and what happened after 5 days, I thought, okay, it's a very difficult language, I can't pull this journey anymore. So yes, I was facing this type of thoughts, this type of feelings, okay, like give up. Then I thought, okay, I have already achieved this level, and I have given so much effort for learning this language, then why should I leave this I mean to say this journey. It's a very easy and very flexible journey. Yes, it happens with everyone that I have faced, and I know you are facing different type of like issue. We don't want to we don't want to miss out one day from practicing, but it happens we have to go some outside, we have to attend some function. So yes, and that I was facing like some health issue. So yes, it happens with everyone. But what happened when we missed out one day? So second day, make sure to maintain your consistency on the second day, because when you missed out 2 days continuously, so your mind and your body don't want to come back on your practicing. Believe me, it happens with everyone. And yes, I experienced this thing a lot, 2 or 3 times. And yes, after when what happened after we when we missed out 2 days continuously, 3 days continuously, after 3 days, what happened, our mind and our body don't want to come back on practice. Even if you are practicing, if you are exercising, if you are doing whatever you are learning, I just want to share with you my experience. It happened with me. Okay, and yes, it's naturally if it is happened with you. So yes, it's naturally, because it happens with everyone. Okay, so yes, what we need to do after this we need to just motivate ourselves. Think about, you have already given your time on learning this skill. So why should you give why should you want to give? You don't want, you should not give this journey. Okay, just you need to motivate yourself. Watch any motivational story, listen any motivational story, and just you need to put some effort first and second day. And once you maintain your streak, then yes, you can easily achieve your goal. You can be consistent in English. Okay, you can be maintain your consistency. Okay, so yes, that's the thing that I wanted to share with you, my experience. Actually, I missed out 5 days. After 5 days, I don't want to practice in English. I don't want to made any video on practicing English speaking skill. So I faced this problem. So that's why I thought like this type of issue, there are some people, you are also facing this type of issue. So if I motivate myself, then you can also motivate yourself. Think about all the times that you have given on learning this language. Think about all effort that you have already given for learning this language. Okay, so just think about all the result that will come to you after after facing your problem. I mean to say, result will come when you are facing some types of hesitation, some types of discomfort. Okay, so then result will help you to be confident in English. But for the good results, you need to be consistent in English. You need to be maintain your streak. Okay, so yes, okay, it's happened that we can't do practice each and every day, and so you need to beat any aspects like yes, I missed out 5 days continuously. So what I did, actually, I listened too much content in English. I read some content in English. Okay, so beat any aspects like reading, listening, writing. Okay, if you can't speak in English, don't worry, beat any aspect like reading, listening, and writing. Okay, so that you can maintain your streak, you can connect with this language. Okay, once you break totally with this language, then it will very difficult to come back on practice in English. Okay, so that's all I wanted to share with you in this video. And there is a thing like I have heard from where, like atomic habit. Okay, this is the habit of our human mind. Like once you break, it's very easy to break any habit. It needs only 3 days to break any habit, but for maintaining any habit, for becoming a habit, it took 21 days minimum. Okay, so yes, try to maintain your stick, try to maintain your consistency. Okay, so that's all I wanted to share with you in this video, and I hope you like my video. If you did so please give it a like, to share with your friends and family, and let me know in the comment box how did you like my video, because I love to read your comments. So friends, I will see you in the next video. Till then, Jai Siya Ram.